Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download archive on Instagram from PC. So without getting delayed, let's jump into our video. First of all, open web browser. You can use Firefox, Mozilla. I'm using Microsoft Edge. So log in your Instagram account. On left side you can see many options. Go to the more option and go to your activity. So in this list you can see photos and videos where view, archive or deleted photos and videos are shared. So tap on it. When you tap on it, you'll see post, reels and highlights which is viewed, deleted or which is archived. So from here you can just download it. Just tap on the post or the video that you want to download. In the case of video, you cannot download directly from here, but you can download photos. For that, go to the photo and click on it and right click on the photo. Then tap on save as. Now give a name to a photo and then tap on save button. So in this way you can download archive photo and video. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.